Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. I'm Tom.
And I'm Sarah. Today, we're going to practice giving directions in English, which is a super useful skill for any beginner.
That's right. Whether you're asking for directions or giving them, knowing the right phrases can make your life much easier.
Absolutely. We'll go through some common scenarios where you might need to give or ask for directions, and we'll provide you with practical phrases to use. Absolutely. We'll go through some common scenarios where you might need to give or ask for directions, and we'll provide you with practical phrases to use.
Let's start with a basic scenario. Imagine you're in a new city and you need to ask someone how to get to a specific place. Sarah, can you help me with that?
Of course. Let's say you're looking for a local coffee shop. Here's how you might ask for directions.
Excuse me, could you help me? I'm trying to find the nearest coffee shop.
Sure. The coffee shop is just down the street. You'll want to walk straight ahead for about 2 blocks.
Okay, so I walk straight ahead for 2 blocks. What's next?
After 2 blocks, you'll come to a traffic light. Turn left there, and the coffee shop will be on your right-hand side.
Got it. Walk straight, turn left at the traffic light, and the coffee shop will be on the right. Thanks.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
That was a simple example, but there are many ways to ask for directions. Let's go over a few more phrases you can use.
Great idea. Here are some other ways to ask for directions. Can you tell me how to get to place? Example, can you tell me how to get to the nearest hospital? I'm looking for a place. Can you help me find it? Example, I'm looking for the city library. Can you help me find it? What's the best way to get to place? Example, what's the best way to get to the train station?
These phrases are really helpful. Now let's switch things up and talk about how to give directions.
Sure thing. When giving directions, clarity is key. Let's look at a common situation where you might need to give directions.
Hi there. I'm trying to find the nearest bookstore. Can you help me?
Absolutely. To get to the bookstore, start by going straight down this road.
Okay, so I go straight down this road. What then?
When you reach the end of the road, take a right turn. The bookstore will be about half a block down on your left.
All right, so go straight, turn right, and it's on the left. Got it?
Exactly. And if you need to clarify, you can always ask, how far is it from here? Example, how far is the bookstore from here? Is it near any landmarks? Example, is the bookstore near the park? Can you describe how it looks? Example, can you describe how the bookstore looks so I know I'm in the right place?
Those are great questions to ask if you're unsure. Now, let's practice another scenario where you might need to give directions.
Sure. Let's say you're directing someone to a restaurant.
Okay, here's how it might go.
Hi, I'm trying to find the Italian restaurant. Can you help me?
Of course. To get to the Italian restaurant, go straight down the street until you reach the second intersection.
Then what?
At the second intersection, turn left. You'll see the restaurant on your right, right across from the supermarket.
Thanks. I appreciate the help.
No problem at all.
Perfect. Giving directions can sometimes be challenging, but with practice, it gets easier. Remember to use landmarks and street names to make your directions clearer.
And don't forget to be patient and willing to repeat your instructions if needed. It's always helpful to offer additional details like nearby landmarks or distances.
Exactly. Now, let's practice some more phrases and tips for giving directions effectively. Here are a few more tips for giving directions. Use landmarks. The bank is next to the post office. Provide clear instructions. Go past the gas station and then take the first right. Be specific about distance. It's about a 5-minute walk from here. And if you're ever unsure, it's perfectly okay to say, I'm not sure, but I think. Example, I'm not sure, but I think the museum is down that road. I haven't been there, but. Example, I haven't been there, but I think it's past the library.
Those phrases are really useful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these phrases and tips whenever you get a chance.
Absolutely. And don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. Most people are happy to assist.
That's right. Before we finish, let's quickly review some of the key phrases we covered today.
Great idea. Here's a quick recap. For asking directions. Can you tell me how to get to place? I'm looking for a place. Can you help me find it? What's the best way to get to place? For giving directions. Go straight down this road. Turn left/right at the landmark. It's on the left/right, across from landmark.
Fantastic. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you found this practice session helpful.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below.
See you in the next video. Happy practicing.
Bye.